In this tutorial video, we're going to have a look at how you can edit the text within a slider, ensuring that it's the right size, the right color, and the correct font. So, we're here on the home page, and we're going to try and edit the text that's visible within slide number 2. So, slide number 2 is visible here. We've got some lorem ipsum that's visible. So, let's go across to the dashboard area, go down to Layer Slider, and choose All Sliders. I'm going to choose Your Home Page. We're going to choose slide number 2. So I want to change the text that's visible in here. So what we need to do is we need to choose the text, and we can see now it's highlighted, and we have a text box visible. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this text, and I'm going to add some new text. So we've now got our text in the text box. But I want to go ahead and firstly change the text color. So how would I do that? Well, I'm going to go across to Styles, and I'm going to go down to Color. We can either choose a color, or if we know the colored code, perhaps you have a brand color that you use, we can enter that after the hashtag. And we can now see how the text has changed to red. So I'm happy with that, and I'm going to click Save. So what if I want to go and change the text size? Well, we stay within Styles, and we now navigate to Font Size. I want to make the font a little bit bigger. So we can see now the font size has increased, and I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click Save. And I also want to change the font style. So I'm going to go to Font Style, and I want to change it to Italic. And I'm going to change the family as well to Homer. We can see now how the font has changed, and it's now in Italic. And I'm going to click Save Changes. So looking at my slider now, the only thing I'm not happy with is how the text is overlapping over my image. I could change the image's position, so move it across a little bit, but we can still see how the text is overlapping. But I don't want to change the font. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new text box. I'm going to find it and pull it down. And I'm going to select the previous text. And I'm going to take out all of the text after students. I'm going to hit Save. And I'm now going to find the text layer that's underneath. And I'm going to add the text that I deleted from the previous line into here. I'm going to drag it across so it's in line. And I'm then going to change the font so it's identical. Make sure it's the same color. So I'm happy with that. And I'm now going to hit Save. And I'm going to refresh the home page and find slide number 2. And there we go, we can see how the new text has been added.